Hello friends, today in this video we will see about personal guidance, definitions of personal guidance, principles and why personal guidance is required, that also we will see in this video. What is personal guidance? Personal guidance is the assistance offered to a person to solve his social, emotional, moral and health problems. Whatever problems are related to an individual are going to solve with the help of personal guidance. Now we will see the definitions given by experts. According to Hofkin, personal guidance is that guidance which is concerned with the problems of health, emotional adjustment and social adjustment of an individual. It also includes his recreational and leisure time problems, problems related with the health and emotional adjustments, social adjustments with the family, with the friends, in the society, all those problems, and also problems related to recreational and leisure time. All these problems are taken care or guidance is given to an individual to solve all these problems through personal guidance. According to Ruth Strang, personal guidance is the assistance given to an individual to solve his personal problems such as emotional and social adjustments, economic and social relationships, and problems connected with his physical as well as mental health. As we have seen in previous definition also, problems related to health and emotional adjustment, social adjustments. With this, economic relationships are also very important, and problems connected to physical as well as mental health also taken care with the help of personal guidance. According to Wilson, the purpose of personal guidance is to help the individual in his physical, emotional, social, moral, and spiritual developments and adjustments. Wherever individual is facing problem regarding his physical health, emotional health, social adjustments, spiritual development also will include in the personal guidance. Due to personal guidance, we can overcome all the kinds of problems related to an individual. So which are the problems which are calling for the personal guidance? Problems about physical health. There are various health issues which can be taken care with the help of personal guidance. Problems about social relationship. An individual has to play various roles in various relations, and due to that there may arise various problems, and those problems also can be solved with the help of personal guidance. Problems about educational behavior. Behavior at the educational institutes, in the schools, in the college. So there may be certain problems of adjustment with the other mates or with teachers or with the society. Those problems can be solved or can be taken care with the help of personal guidance. Problems about home and family relationship. As we have seen earlier, an individual has to play various roles, and there can be problems at home and family relationship also. So those can be solved with the help of personal guidance. Marital problems, financial problems, moral and religious problems. These are the kinds of problems which are calling for personal guidance. And with the help of personal guidance, if an individual get personal guidance at proper time, so he will be able to solve his personal problems. There are few more problems, personality problems. Some people are extroverts, some are introvert. Because of their personality, they may face problems in the society or at home also, in various relationships. So those problems also can be solved with the help of personal guidance. Problems related to various emotions. Those are emotional problems. frustration, anxiety, jealousy. Because of these emotions also in our life we face many problems, and if we get proper guidance at proper time we can overcome these problems and we can solve our problems. So personal guidance is very important to solve all these problems. Then what are the principles on which personal problems or personal guidance is based on? Personality is whole and complex. We all know that our personality is a very complex thing, and because of that, there may be various problems. All problems are interrelated. Anyhow, all the problems are based on various causes and they are interrelated. So, this is the principle of personal problems or personal guidance. Personal problems are based on cause. Personal problems have emotional aspects. As we know that all the emotions are related with our problems. Because of emotions also we can face many problems. That's why this is the principle of it. Personal problems have emotional aspects. Individuals' self-concept is key to personal problems. To maintain self-concept or to help to develop self-concept, we have to solve personal problems, and here personal guidance is very important. Individuals' insight most helpful. Whatever the insight of an individual is very helpful to solve the personal problems. What are the steps for solving personal problems? This is a procedure, so we have to follow certain steps. First step is gathering personal facts, information about the individual and information about the personal problems or problems of the individual. So by collecting this information, we will have an idea about the person or personal facts. Then next step is diagnosis. At this stage, with the help of collected data, we can finalize what is the problem of an individual, what is personal problem of that individual. At the next stage, that is prognosis, at this stage, we can think, we can say how he will behave in the future. Based on the collected data, we can think that how he will behave in the future. The next step is therapy. Based on all these, diagnosis of problem, then how he will behave in the future and what data is with us, we can start the therapy. We can guide them, we can give them various solutions. Guide will use various tools and techniques in the therapy, and he will try to give various solutions. He will try to keep in front of the individual various solutions to solve his personal problems. And last step is follow-up. After the end of the therapy, the guidance procedure will stop, and we have to take follow-up. At what extent the therapy is useful and how at what extent the problem is solved, whether there is any other need of personal guidance, or we can stop here. So these are the steps for solving personal problems. As we have discussed, as we have seen in this video, that personal guidance assists students or an individual to acquire knowledge, attitudes, strategies and skills to understand and appreciate himself. Thank you so much for your patient listening.